The top 5 best heavy-duty drafting chair recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Drafting Chair Stool Office Ergonomic Footrest. This Lockwind office drafting chair/stool is professionally designed for artful and flexible working spaces where higher level adjustment, ergonomics, and comfort is requested. Featured by 3 deep breathable mesh ergo high back with built-in adjustable lumbar support. Relax and stretch your arms with 15-degree tilt back. Padded flip-up arms ensures flexible and big-size user/height adjustable footrest is wide and sturdy/wide comfort stable multifunctional. All achieved. Ample supportive foam cushion ergonomic seat is large with waterfall rounding edge contribution. Recommendation number 2. HARWICK Evolve All-Mesh Heavy-Duty Drafting Chair. The HARWICK Evolve Dark Night Edition is a blacked-out version of the popular Evolve drafting chair line. This chair is perfect for creating a bold look in retro, industrial, and contemporary offices. Features include the following: ergonomic design for all-day comfort and support. Duragrid black mesh seat and back keeps you cool throughout your workday. Heavy-duty design supports 325 pounds. Built-in lumbar support to ease lower back pain. Flip-up armrests allow the chair to move closer to your desk. Recommendation number 3. Rolling Swivel Drafting Chair. The exclusive molded foam is specially molded around the seat base. Thicker and softer seat provide extra comfort. Premier thicker PVC leather. Elegant stitching even for the bottom side of the seat. Adjustable height from 21.3 to 29.0 inches to delight your rigorous daily work. Durable, stylish reinforced nylon casters for quite smooth movement on the floor. Reinforced chrome metal base allow weight capacity high to 400 pounds and smooth rolling casters for extra stability and easy movements. Recommendation number 4. Rolling Stool Adjustable Drafting Chair. Unique ergonomic concave cushion design naturally wraps around the hips, extra comfortable. Oversized base, up to 25.2 inches in diameter, provides safety and stability. Explosion-proof iron plate double protection to ensure safe use. Weight capacity 350 pounds, extremely safe. Used heavy-duty base and SGS tested certified pneumatic gas lift. Very sturdy and durable. Anti-exploding iron plate is double protection for your safety. Adjusting the height with the switch in the middle. Fully adjustable height from 27.5 to 43. Recommendation number 5. Boss Office Products Ergonomic Works Drafting Chair. This black tweed drafting stool comes with an easily adjustable pneumatic gas lift seat height adjustment to help you find the personalized sitting style that suits you and your work environment. The contoured back and seat can help relieve back strain through extended periods of work. The 20-diameter chrome foot ring provides added foot and leg support. The Euro-style nylon base provides greater stability to the stool by spreading the load over a larger surface area. And the heavy-duty dual-wheel casters make it easy to move and shift directions.